Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Thank you for joining me. Click subscribe. Have a great day and learn OPALITE. The dance is actually called Little Bit of Everything, but the song that it's done to is so popular, OPALITE by Taylor Swift. So many people call it OPALITE. It's actually called Little Bit of Everything. 32 counts, 4 walls, beginner line dance, 1 tag at the end of wall 5, 4-count tag, and 1 restart wall 13 after 12 counts. And I'll show you that at the end. Here we go. Here's a preview of the steps. It goes to the right side first, starting with a grapevine with a turn. So it's side, behind, quarter, quarter hitch, regular grapevine, modified K with claps, walk forward, 2, 3, kick, go back, 2, 3 with a touch, cross, point, and jazz, box, quarter, turn with a cross. That's it. Let's learn it. First 8 counts, starting with a grapevine to the right, with a quarter and a quarter hitch. So we're actually going to do a half turn towards 6 o'clock with 2 quarters. 2 quarters. So it's grapevine, behind, quarter, pick up your left foot, turn over your right, and do a quarter hitch. Then left, grapevine with a touch. Side, behind, quarter, hitch. Side, behind, side, touch. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second 8, modified K, forward, touch, back, touch. Now go back again. Back, touch, and back, touch. So forward, so little diagonals. And it's done with claps. So forward, clap when you touch, back, clap when you touch, back, touch. On this last touch, you clap, clap. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's the second 8. Third 8, we're going to walk forward, kick, and back touch. So it's right, left, kick, go back left, left, right, left, and touch. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fourth 8, just did our right touch. We do cross, point left, cross, point right, and a quarter turning jazz box over your right shoulder with a cross at the end. Cross, back, side, cross. Now I'm facing 9 o'clock. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put it all together from the top with words, starting with the grapevine with the hitch. So side right, left behind, quarter left, hitch. Side, behind, side, touch. Modified K, step, clap, go back, clap, clap, walk forward, 2, 3 with a kick, go back, 2, 3 with a touch and a cross, point and a cross, point and a jazz, box, turn with the cross. New wall, and we start again. Let's review the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. A couple of things. For styling, the choreographer suggests on the walk forward and the kick on the back, 2, 3, instead of touch, point your foot to the side a little bit, your right foot, because it will remind you to cross point, cross point. The tag is on the 5th wall, which means it's the first time we come back to our home wall, and it's at the very end. And it's step, touch, step, touch. So it will look like this, the tag. Side, behind, hitch, side, behind, side, touch, step, clap, step, clap, step, clap, 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 walk, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, and touch, cross, point, jazz box with the cross. Here's our 4-count tag. Side, touch, touch. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Restart, side, behind, side, hitch. That's the tag. The restart happens on wall 13 after 12 counts. So wall 13, again, you're facing 12 o'clock. So this is how it will look, the restart. The first 12 counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Restart. One more time. I'll count it in 12s. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Restart. So that's it. Enjoy OPALITE, also called Little Bit of Everything.